What's happening, people? Welcome back to part 2.5, part 3, whatever you want to call it. My name is Alex. Welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we were taking a look, well, obviously taking a further deeper look into the transmission. Took the cover off because I was like, I put it back temporarily because I didn't have time to carry on. Had a look, and then fork selector for third and fourth gear was knackered, so went ahead, looked up on prices. Obviously, like I said, I think I was gonna go for like an OEM genuine Honda one. Jesus, this thing was like cost like, I don't know, like 150 quid or something. And yeah, I was like, okay, let me just look on second-hand stuff as well, see what I can get. And then quite surprisingly, I did find a guy from like eBay seller or something like that. He was selling like, obviously, you know, what I wanted, and then I got quite cheap. I think I paid like, I don't know, like £30 or something. Looks in good shape. Definitely doesn't have the crack as this one, as you can see from here. So yeah, I mean, not too bad. Obviously, it's got some wear marks over here onto the forks. Same with this one. But yeah, I mean, what's different? What's the kind of like comparison? 150 or 30 quid? Go for the 30 quid. Ideally, main thing I went for that, and then I didn't went to like get a new one. Is change of plans. I'm not gonna be rebuilding the whole gearbox from like bearings and then synchros, because you know, to getting different quotes and stuff. It's probably synchro set, and then if I want to get the bearings as well, it's gonna come around probably about 800 quid. And then I need to, like I said, invest in a press because I don't have a press. So probably another 100-200 pounds if you want to get like a decent one. So it's probably gonna come down to £1,000 to rebuild, plus the bearings. Don't forget the bearings. Obviously need to, you know, purchase those because, you know, might as well do the whole damn thing. Kind of like don't want to spend £1,000 on this, plus the fact that I mentioned like I done the clutch on my EP3 on the last video, and I took the gearbox apart. But not, I mean, I took the gearbox out obviously to do the clutch. Gotta say, really pain in the ass doing the clutch on those on the floor, especially when you only got one jack and then the subframe weighs like a fucking ton. So not really the best friendly type of way to do a clutch onto the floor on AP3. Better off doing it on a ramp. I ain't got a ramp, so it is where it is. So for the time being, I'm gonna stick with the regular diff, kind of like on the AP3 that is in there. Maybe future plan is if I get an LST and then want to do the rebuild onto the gearbox, and then I have time because I use the car as a daily, I'm gonna take like holidays or whatever, 1 week or 2 weeks or something like that, and then I can, you know, keep the car, well, keep the gearbox off the car, and got time to actually do the work. So what it's gonna be is cleaning up the transmission, putting everything back together, and then pretty much kind of like getting on from there.